nandito tayo sa napakalaking supermarket. Okay? Dito
No,
sa
dito-
Merida.
It's not a supermarket. It's a mercado.
It's Mercado, sorry. Mercado. It's Luis Galvez Mercado. Okay, so ito yung area. Ipapakita ko sa inyo, ha? Guys, kumakain kami dito tapos may dumating na nagra-rap. Okay, ito yung nakuha namin. See, nakita ko to.
¡Ánimo, gente bonita! La cultura y la tradición para ustedes, queridos ciudadanos.
Hi, good morning to our Musicanatics and to our Athens. Today is our last day here in Mexico. We're just enjoying the view of the Caribbean Sea here, having the breeze, the sea breeze. Just enjoy it. Ayan, ang ganda. And as you can see, again,
Mi negrita.
mini-grita na kasi sobrang init and then palagi naglalakad. Ayan, ang nangyari sa kulay ko. 2 weeks lang, brown na. And then, you wanna say something, my love, with our viewers?
Yeah, come to Mexico. You'll love it.
Yes, come to Mexico here in Akumal. Okay, it's a beautiful place to stay. And El Cuyo, it's beautiful as well, and in Merida. Okay, so we're just enjoying our last day here, sitting in front of this, in front of the sea. Yeah. And tomorrow we'll be going back to US and back to reality. Okay, thank you so much for watching our videos and hope that you will like our shared videos ng aming escapades and our experience ng aming bakasyon dito sa Mexico. So bye for now. Say bye, my love. Guys, I just want you to see yung signage ng Jaguar dito sa malapit sa Tulum Airport. Ayan, oh. See, slow down my love. So, see, itong kulay yellow. See, ayan, Jaguar. So, this one is
For monkeys.
monkey. So, kaya meron silang parang daanan din, oh. Nilagyan sila ng daanan. Para dun sila climb sa taas, hindi dito mag-process sa road para hindi sila mamatay, no, masagasaan. So they really protect the animals here from the forest. Ayan, another signage ng Jaguar, that the Jaguar telling that this type of animals may cross dito sa road. And malapit na tayo sa airport ng Tulum. And see, another signage. So, yeah, I'll keep you posted pag nasa Miami, Florida na kami. That is our first flight to go to Miami and Miami to Chicago. Okay? That's for now. Ito yung Tulum Airport. Ayan. Aeropuerto International Felipe Carrillo Puerto. We're just gonna drop off the car. And then, yeah, check in na. there's a hotel nearby.
Yeah. Usually airports have hotels.
Ito yung airport.
This is a beautiful airport.
Yes, it is. See? Very
Yeah, it's
clean.
brand new, honey. It's a brand new airport.
And yung parking space nila ng mga car, puro yan solar panel. Kahit ito, ang top nito ay solar panel. They really make use of the sun dito kasi mainit daw. Tingnan niyo yan, solar panel yung cover ng parking area sa car. At solar. Diba? Libre na yung energy nila dito. Banco. This is the bank. Banco de Mexico. And see what is this one. So we are still in Paseo Montejo. You see? Let's see. You see this beautiful house here. I don't know if this is a house. Yerba Santa. Maybe this is a hotel. There's a restaurant.
Yeah.
This is a restaurant. You see how beautiful is the restaurant? Oh. And the name of this is Yerba Santa.
You know what, honey? We're gonna
Yeah.
go back.
We need to go back.
Well, because it's way up there, honey.
Okay.
It's by the Hilton. And maybe
Okay.
they want to buy some.
Nakikita nyo to, guys. This is one such big, beautiful mansion dito sa Paseo de Montejo. Okay. Ayan siya, oh. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Ito ang ganda. Ang laki-laki niya. OMG. Ayan. Sa likod. Mag-enjoy ka dito maglakad-lakad ng gabi. Napaka-safe niya. Ayan. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. This is the anthropology.
This is the Museum of Regional, the Regional Museum of Yucatan Anthropology.
Oh,
It's Palacio Canton.
Palacio Canton.
You want to
Okay.
see this is the translation, honey.
Okay. Here. Gabi kasi hindi makita masyado. Ayan. Regional Museum of Anthropology of Yucatan. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. I don't know if this is open to the public.
Yeah, maybe it's just access to the
From,
museum up here, 41st Street.
It's from Martes to Domingo from 8 to 5.
Yeah.
Ganito siya pag ginagawa. May butter and then niluluto ng madalian, sobrang init doon sa parang waffle maker niya. And then I think ito ay cheese. Yung in-order ko is Nutella. Okay, yun. Ayan, piniprepare niya na yung order ko. Nutella, Nutella. Actually, nung first time ko itong natikman, nasa Valladolid ako 2 years ago. At masarap siya. So, buti na lang nakakita ko dito sa Merida. So, we'll try again with different flavor. Ayan, prepare niya na. Yun, diba? Ayan. I think doon yun sa isang tao kasi may cheese siya. So, ang in-order ko lang naman ay Nutella lang. So, hindi ata to sa akin. Oh, hindi nga sa akin.
What do you want? Which one do you want?
Okay. Yan, sa akin na talaga yan. Ang in-order ko is Nutella with banana. Yan, mabilisan. Napagluto sa waffle. Oops! Nahulog pa. Naka-high flame siya and then low flame. Siguro mga 45 seconds to 1 minute lang pagluto ng butter niya. Mabilisan lang talaga. At ang pangalan ng dessert na to ay Marquesitas.
¿Qué estás haciendo eso, hermano?
Yo,
Sí.
5 años.
¿Sí?
O sea, 15 confección, 20.
¿Y
Sí,
deja bien?
sí,
Sí.
mayormente en las temporadas de diciembre. Temporada de diciembre es la mejor para nosotros.
Cuando más se hace, ¿eh?
Sí, o para vacaciones, tiempo de vacaciones, es también es bueno para nosotros. Llega muchos turistas.
Nosotros probamos la primera vez en Valladolid.
Sí. Sí, Texas.
Marquesitas. Ang sarap niya. Pag pumunta kayo dito, try nyo to, Marquesitas. Okay. Bye! Good morning mga musikanatics at mga 18s. Nandito kami sa Akumal. Tingnan nyo tong friend namin dito sa kwarto. Pumasok siya at binisita kami. She's so small and so cute. Ayan, saan ka pupunta? Ha? Huwag mo kaming kagating kahit maliit ka lang. Ayun, pupunta ata siya sa ilalim ng aming bed. Ang cute niya. Ayan. Ayan, nandun na siya sa ilalim ng bed. Sige, tago ka muna dyan. Bye! Guess what, guys? May nakita kami, naghahanap talaga kami ng La Michoacana. Ayan siya, oh. May mga paleta dyan. Actually, sa atin, yung parang ice drop siya. Ang sarap talaga. And, pumunta kami ng sentro ng Valladolid. Wala akong makita. Tapos, Diyos ko, malapit lang pala dito sa bahay na pinagtitirahan namin. I'm not sure kung anong oras to magbubukas, but sure, before noon time. Punta kami dyan para makabili ng paleta, which is ang favorite ko is the strawberry and mango. Okay? So this is Valladolid. Ayan. Ang happy ko nakaupo. Say hi, my love! Mga estudyante, papunta na, papasok na. Buenos dias! Ayun. And I will give you some trivia about the St. Catherine of Siena's church. It used to be a convent. And puntahan natin para makita nyo yung bricks talaga ng ng kumbento. Okay? Ito yung area na pwede mong paglakaran. And tingnan mo. Oh, di ba may mga isda siya? Wow. Ah, focus, focus. Ayun. 32 meters daw tong depth nito. Sorry, hindi nagpo-focus. Ayan. 32 meters. Ito. Ayan. Sana nag-i-enjoy kayo sa panonood nito. And sa mga gustong pumunta dito sa Mexico, you need to visit this cenote ng Suha, Valladolid. And I'll just see, tingnan nyo. Dito lang nagagaling yung focus natin. Hindi ko ma-focus. Diyan nagagaling yung liwanag. Doon pwede ka mag-dive. And then, ayan, nagpo-focus siya. Okay. Aqua green talaga. Napakalinis niya. Super, super. Ayan. At kung magsiswimming ka, hindi mo pwedeng i-touch yung wall niya. Yun ang sabi sa amin nung tour guide dito. Ayan. And look. Oh, diba? Focus. Ayan. Sige guys, maligo na muna ako ulit, okay?
Sol y arena, oh so bright, baila conmigo toda la night. El ritmo suena, can you feel? Move your body.